Learn commonly used Arabic words in daily life with the help of Urdu and English.
Word number 1. Al-mir'ah, the mirror. Aina. Now we will use this word in a sentence. Unzur fil mir'ah. Look in the mirror. Aine me dekho. Word number 2. Al-musht, the comb. Kanghi. Now we will use this word in a sentence. Emshat sha'rak. Comb your hair. Apne baal kanghi karo. Word number 3. Furshatu sha'r, the hairbrush. Brush. Now we will use this word in a sentence. Aina furshatu sha'r. Where is the hairbrush? Balon ka brush kahan hai? Word number 4. Tawilatu sarir, the nightstand. Bedside table. Now we will use this word in a sentence. Al-kitab ala tawilati sarir. The book is on the nightstand. Kitab bedside table par hai. Word number 5. Al-misbah, the lamp. Lamp. Now we will use this word in a sentence. Shaghil al-misbah. Turn on the lamp. Lamp jalao. Word number 6. Munabbih, the alarm clock. Alarm ghadi. Now we will use this word in a sentence. Al-munabbih daq. The alarm clock rang. Alarm ghadi baj gayi. Word number 7. As-sajjada, the carpet. Qaleen, ghalicha. Now we will use this word in a sentence. Nadhif as-sajjada. Clean the carpet. Qaleen saaf karo. Word number 8. As-sitara, the curtain. Parda. Now we will use this word in a sentence. Asdil as-sitara. Close the curtain. Parda band karo. Word number 9. An-nafidha, the window. Kirki. Now we will use this word in a sentence. Iftah an-nafidha. Open the window. Kirki kolo. Word number 10. Al-bab, the door. Darwaza. Now we will use this word in a sentence. Aghliq al-bab. Close the door. Darwaza band karo.